welcome to Unique Learning channel. Thanks for subscribing and following me on YouTube. So I hope that all of you are liking my channel, and please put your remarks regarding what you want and what you are liking in this channel. So let's start with today's chapter, that is algebra. So we are doing multiplication of algebraic expressions. In multiplication of algebraic expressions, you should first know the basic rules of multiplication in algebra. So ma'am will first teach you the basic rules, then we can do some questions related to that. So first is the rule of signs. Product of two factors with like signs is positive and with unlike signs is negative. So always the product of two factors which are having like signs will be positive. That means minus into minus will be always plus, and plus into plus will be also plus. So suppose I have taken minus 2x into minus 4x. So its product will be minus 2 into minus 4, that is plus 8 into x square. Plus 8x square will be the result. Now the other part, let's see that is minus into plus will be minus, and plus into minus will be equal to minus. So we can understand this also by taking two monomials. Let's take, I have taken here minus 2x into, I am doing here, plus I take 5y. So what will be the result? Result will be minus into plus I am doing. So result will come as minus 10xy. So you see, minus into plus will be equal to minus. Minus into plus is minus, and plus into minus is also minus. So these basic rules of sign all of you should know while doing the multiplication of any algebraic expression. It can be monomial, it can be polynomial, it can be binomial or trinomial, anyone. The same rules are followed in each of them. Now students, this part, if a is any variable and m and n are positive integers, then a to the power m into a to the power n will be equal to a to the power m plus n. Let us understand this with an example. In place of a, I am taking here 4. Okay? But a is a variable, it's not a constant. So I will have to take something like this. I have taken 4y to the power 2, and I am multiplying it with 4y, again a, that is variable a, instead of a I am taking y here. So 4y to the power 3. So it will 4 into 4, it will be 16, and for y, which is the variable, what I will do, y to the power 2 plus 3 it will become. So it will be equal to 16y to the power 5. So students, I hope you have understood that when variables are same and we are multiplying them, so their powers will add up to give a result which is got by addition. But if suppose there is a subtraction sign here, that is 4y to the power minus 2 it was, and it is multiplied with 4y to the power 3. Then we will have a minus sign here. Then it will become 16y to the power 3 minus 2. That is, this value will become 1. Or we can write it as 16y. Because to the power 1 we will generally don't write, we write as 16y. So I hope you have understood this rule also, that is, if any variable is there and there is product of two variables, the product will be having a power which is sum of the powers of both the variables in the algebraic expression. Now come to next rule. That is rule for multiplication of algebraic expression. What is that? The coefficient of products is equal to product of coefficients. Okay. Coefficient of products. You see here 4xy into minus 3y ma'am has done. So 4 is actually the coefficient of xy and minus 3 is the coefficient of y here. So what I will do, these numerical values will be brought together and the variables will be brought together in the product. So 4 into minus 3 and x into y, it will be, so that will become xy square. So I can write 4 into minus 3, that is minus 12 into xy square. Okay students, if you are not able to understand this, here you can write it like this, x into y, and here it will become minus 12 into xy square. So product of coefficient of products is equal to product of the coefficients. We have done here product of these coefficients. Then only we have got this. Now come to second rule, that is variable part in the product is equal to product of variables. Here we talked about coefficients, that is coefficients were multiplied and we got minus 12. Same way variables also were multiplied and we got the product of variables. We will understand this by another algebraic expression, multiplication of other two monomials, minus 5 by 2 x square into y cube, minus this is one monomial and there is 1 by 2 x cube y square. So we will bring in the products, we will bring the numerical part together and variables of similar type together. So minus 5 by 2 into 1 by 2 into x square into x cube from here, and then y cube into y square. Then on multiplication we will get minus 5 by 4 x to the power 5 because 2 plus 3 it will become. And y to the power 5 again because again 3 plus 2 it will become. So answer is minus 5 by 4 x to the power 5 into y to the power 5. Suppose I am supposing that here y power was minus 2. In that case what will be the change? Let's see. It will be again same minus 5 by 2 into 1 by 2, and this part, this variable will be same x to the power 2 into x to the power 3. Here it will become y to the power 3, that is here, into y to the power minus 2. So here there will be a subtraction. So it will become y to the power 3 minus 2, that is 1. And generally we don't mention 1. So we can write it as minus 5 by 4 x to the power 5 y. Okay students. So I hope you have understood today the basic rules of multiplication of algebraic expressions. So try out the sums I have shown you with the help of monomials. These rules I have shown with the help of monomials so that the base is clear to you, the concepts get clear to you. Now you can try it out with monomials, binomials, trinomials, polynomials, all type of algebraic expressions. The same basic rules of multiplication are followed. And I hope you are understanding the basic maths, basic grammar and many things of science with activities, pictures and videos, whichever is being shown to you. So don't forget to subscribe to YouTube channel, that is Unique Learning, and press the bell icon to get notifications timely. Thank you. Have a nice day.